You know, the promise on this slide is a big one. You can start a side hustle today. But what if I told you the biggest thing holding you back isn't your skills or your money or even having a big idea? It's actually something way simpler, and it's what we're going to tackle right now. So, what is that barrier? Why do so many good intentions just kind of fizzle out before they even get started? Well, it's almost never because of a bad idea or not enough motivation. Nope, the failure happens way earlier. It happens because of this vicious cycle that just keeps people stuck. It all starts right here with endless analysis paralysis. You know the feeling. You're comparing a dozen different ideas and they all just blur together. The what if scenarios start piling up and build a wall so high you can't even see over it. And then comes the planning. The planning. You're crafting the perfect business plan, designing logos for a product that doesn't even exist yet, and mapping out a 5-year strategy before you've made a single dollar. Now, this feels super productive, right? But let's be real. It's just a really clever form of procrastination. And this is the final, most common trap of all, waiting to feel ready. You're waiting for more confidence, for more time, for more skills. But here's the hard truth. Ready is a feeling that never actually shows up. This whole cycle, it's a dream killer. Okay, so let's just wipe the slate clean for a second. To get started, you do not need to be some creative genius. You don't need years of special skills or to feel totally unshakable confidence. And you absolutely do not need to be a tech wizard or have a huge audience waiting for you. You really only need one thing. You need a proven angle. And what's so important about this definition is that this isn't about wishful thinking or some pie-in-the-sky idea. A proven angle is a concept that's already plugged into real human behavior, what people are already searching for, and more importantly, what they're already paying for. This slide basically says it all. This is the entire mindset shift. The old way, the super high-risk way, is trying to invent some brilliant idea out of thin air. The new way, the smarter way, is to just discover what people already want and then find your own unique spot within that. So how do you find these proven angles? Well, you don't guess. The method we're talking about uses a specific set of starting points to guide you, 48 of them to be exact. And these aren't just random ideas. They're very specific prompts designed to uncover real needs. So each one of those 48 prompts is designed to tap into needs that are already out there. I mean, think about what we all pay for every single day. Convenience to save us time, relief from some annoying problem, a shortcut to get a result we want, clarity in a confusing world, or just simple fixes for little issues. These are the foundations of businesses that actually work. And this just completely changes the game. You're not sitting there staring at a blank page, trying to force an idea to happen. The process is so much simpler. You don't guess. You just run a prompt. And here's the real magic of having so many prompts. What happens if you run one and the idea it gives you, doesn't really feel like you? Nothing. You just move on to the next one. There's no emotional baggage, no feeling of failure, because the key is there's always another angle. Okay, but I know what you're thinking. What kind of side hustles are we even talking about? Well, these are practical, realistic businesses. We're talking about things you can literally start with just your phone, things you can run all by yourself. They're genuinely beginner-friendly, and get this, they don't require you to spend a dime on marketing or build a huge audience before you can even start. This whole approach also gets you out of those typical online traps. You know what I'm talking about? There are zero hidden costs here. No monthly subscriptions, no required upsells just to make the thing work, and no expensive software you have to buy. It's designed to work with free tools you probably already use anyway. And this also creates a totally different experience. See, this isn't a course that locks you into one single rigid path. It's much more like a tool, a reusable discovery kit that lets you explore endlessly. You're not making one giant scary commitment. You're just trying on different ideas until one finally clicks. You know, when you have this many proven angles to choose from, something really fascinating happens in your brain. The whole act of starting stops feeling like this huge, terrifying risk. Instead, finding something that actually works for you, well, it just starts to feel inevitable. And this right here, this is the ultimate transformation. You move from that place of fear and doubt, where you're constantly asking yourself, will this even work? To a place of action and control, where the only real question you have left is, okay, which one of these great options should I start first? Let this one sink in for a second, because it's the whole philosophy. All the pressure is just gone. You're not making one single high-stakes bet on one fragile idea. You're just making a calm, informed choice from a whole menu of proven options. So it really all comes back to this. The whole goal is to finally break that cycle of overthinking and planning forever. It's about taking that first, simple step, and this system is designed to make that step as small and as logical as it can possibly be. And that's really the final takeaway. It's about lowering the barrier to entry so much that starting becomes almost effortless. Seriously, if you can read this screen and click a button, you have everything you need to start exploring today.